Wolfpack 315 Pack12. From winding trails to towering sand dunes, the Wolfpack 315 Pack12 is ready to take you and your toys wherever you want to go. Prepped for the easy addition of solar panels and a generator, this sport utility RV is perfect for off-grid fun. When you come back from your adventure full of mud, you can clean yourself and your toys off with the outside shower that has hot and cold water. The external fuel cells have a pump ready to gas up those engines and keep them going. With 15 tie-downs in the garage, you can make sure that all your cargo stays put for the road trip. Once you get to your site and get unloaded, convert your garage into living space with the rollover sofas and electric bed above them. Feed your well-earned appetite with your own home-cooked dishes in the fully equipped kitchen. Plunk down at the booth dinette to enjoy your meal, or relax on the comfortable sofa. Both the sofa and dinette convert into beds for added sleeping space. The full bath is accessible from the living area as well as the master bedroom. A handy medicine cabinet will keep your vanity nice and tidy by holding all your toiletries and medications. When your body just can't take any more, fall into the comfortable bed found in the private master bedroom where you'll drift off to sleep and wake up refreshed. Find out more at lakeshore-rv.com or call 231-788-2040.